Be martial artists done playing yet? You muscle heads at the gym? You done playing? This is a real warrior's body. Not some fucking fat idiot with beer muscles. Not a football lineman. Not a mini-me. A real African expel your motherfucking bullshit warrior body. Any fucking questions? Or perhaps you need to put things into perspective for me. For ye, just for a wee bit, so you know I ain't playing with you. That this is the truth, unlike your presentation bullshit. Big Mac Loke. The next time I hear a liberal or anyone else pretend that some non-Chukwuemeka-like motherfucker is the true martial artist, or some liberal skinny little girl talking about, I know the secrets, or some wannabe fucking Confucius, or any of that shit. Next time you motherfuckers pretend, I'm gonna start passing out flyers in your favorite hometowns. Exactly. They show exactly why you're wrong.